So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to port forward with my Spectrum app, open ports, NAT rules and gaming setup. So how to port forward with my Spectrum app. Open the My Spectrum app, go to services, then router, then advanced settings, then port forwarding and select your device. Reserve its IP first under connected devices. Then tap add port assignment, enter the required port number and protocol, then save the rule. Third one is restart your Spectrum router and check your console or PC network settings to confirm your NAT type is now open or improved. Before you start important, you must use a Spectrum provided router. Be connected to your home Spectrum Wi-Fi. Then know the local IP address of your gaming device like Xbox, PlayStation, PC. Then port forwarding work while directing outside traffic to a specific device inside your network. Without the correct device IP, the rule will not apply correctly. Step 1 is to fix this issue. Assign a reserved IP address. Open the My Spectrum app, then sign in. Then tap services, then select your router. Go to advanced settings. Tap connected device. Select the device you want to reserve. Xbox, PlayStation, PC, etc. Choose reserve IP address or assign reserved IP. Then toggle on it and save. Step 2. Open the My Spectrum app. Then again go to the advanced settings. Under equipments, tap services, then router, then advanced settings. Select your gaming device. Enter the external and internal port number you had like the device to be accessible from. Then enter port number example 3074 for many Xbox services and protocol TCP, UDP or both. Mark the check mark to confirm your port forwarding settings. To manage an existing port assignment, select the port assignment name. You will see an overview of the reserved IP address and open ports. To change the settings, select Manage Port Assessment. To remove port forwarding, select Delete Port Assessment and confirm. Common gaming ports like Xbox, Xbox Live, 88 UDP, 3074 TCP, 5380. Then again also like PlayStation 3478, 3480, 1935 TCP, 3074 TCP. PC games varies by game. Check the official game support site for required ports. Step 4. Restart router. Power cycle the Spectrum router, unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in and wait until fully online. So how to check NAT type? Xbox settings, then network, then NAT type, as well as like in PlayStation settings, network, then view connection status. How this helps? Confirm whether your port forwarding is working. Ideal result: open NAT Xbox or NAT type 1/2 PlayStation. Thank you. So these are the steps which can help you to fix your issue.